Namaste, everybody. I hope you're doing well. I want to give a big shout out to everybody that donated to the Warriors Essential Yoga Kit. That you truly are going to make a huge impact on somebody's life or their marriage. I hear this every single time I come out here to the Warriors Ascent Academy of Healing, that this program saved their life. And these yoga kits really give a great foundation to being mindful, to being present, to their yoga practice, to everything with their foundation that they need to become healed, to become that warrior, to become that hero. And so it's absolutely beautiful out here. I know it is still kind of winter, but last night we saw deer and it was super, super beautiful, the big whitetail. So love you guys. Feel free if you want to contribute. We are completely full of, I would say, the attendees for Warriors Ascent this spring, but we have openings in the fall. Love you. Have a great day.